To make a snake, you will need 2 light green balloons to make the head and the body, and 1 red balloon for the eyes and the tongue. Let's start with the head. You need to inflate a balloon and leave a margin of about 6 inches. Once you have made the knot, compress the balloon a little bit to lower the air pressure. Start with the first bubble of about 1 inch wide, followed by a loop of about 6 inches wide, and lock twist them together. Sharpen the tip of the loop by making an angle right in the middle. Then make a long bubble that should reach almost all the way to the tip of the loop, followed by a small bubble of about 1 inch wide, and then another long bubble that should be exactly the same size as the previous long bubble, and lock twist them together. Voila! Now, transform that small 1 inch bubble into a pinch twist. Align the last segment of balloon against the 2 long bubbles and make a third long bubble which should be a bit shorter than the 2 other ones, and lock it against the pinch twist. And then pierce the last segment of balloon to let the air escape. Take that little scrap of latex and lock it at the base of the loop. Very well. Now, take back the red balloon and inflate it for about 3.5 inches. And divide the inflated part of the balloon into 2 equal-sized bubbles. Align the 2 bubbles together and crisscross the 2 extremities so that the long part of the balloon which is not inflated will go over the extremity with the knot. Then wrap that long stretch of balloon around the crease between the 2 bubbles so that when it comes on the other side, you can attach it with the knot. Just like that. All right. Now, let's attach those eyes to the head. Just insert them between that string of balloon and the 2 longer bubbles. See? That green string is keeping them tightly in the center. And at this point, this is the shape you should have. Granted, it doesn't really look like a snake. Well, this is where the magic happens. We need to have the tip of the loop go over the pinch twist. So that it stays right there. Position the tongue right in between the tip of the loop and the pinch twist. Make sure both eyes come out of their socket. Et voila! Now, it really looks much more like a snake, doesn't it? Alright, let's make the body now. Take the last green balloon and inflate it all the way, but make sure that there isn't too much pressure. Attach its knot to the knot of the little bubble coming out of the head of the snake, and transform that little bubble into a pinch twist. Then make another bubble of about 1 inch wide that you will also transform into a pinch twist. And then a third one, which you will also transform into a pinch twist. These 3 pinch twists will ensure that the body is tightly attached to the head. Make sure that the air is evenly distributed all the way to the end of the second green balloon. And let's now make some zigzag. 1 pinch to the right, another pinch to the left, then another pinch to the right, and another pinch to the left, and so on and so forth, until you arrive at the end of the balloon. If you want the tongue to go higher, you just have to pull it a little bit up against the tip of the loop and have the pinch twist come a bit more out of the head. And that's it. There you go. This is how you can make a fantastic snake in balloon.